What 12-year-old Tamir Rice did, what police did. 326 still frames from 2 surveillance cameras. A company in Washington state just put this together for the Cuyahoga County prosecutor, showing the seconds before and after Cleveland police rolled up to the Cadell Rec Center and shot Tamir Rice, saying he reached into his waistband for a gun. In a moment, we'll break this down. By now, you know the story. Last November, police got a call about a male waving a gun, pointing it at people. Police shot and killed Tamir Rice, an encounter lasting less than 2 seconds. Police say Tamir had an airsoft pistol that looked like a powerful handgun. The still frames show the boy at a table, then a police car in the distance. The analysis given to the prosecutor shows Tamir standing 10 seconds before the police vehicle stopped. But this analysis also points out the boy's hands in front of his stomach. Then Tamir Rice moving toward the police car 5 seconds before the car stopped. Finally, the video analysis says the police car kept moving forward. Tamir's right arm moved toward his waist. The police passenger door opened and Officer Timothy Lohman got out and fired the deadly shot. The Cuyahoga County prosecutor has repeatedly released reports in this case, saying he's doing that in the spirit of openness. But you might find some of the timing unusual. 3 of the releases have been on Saturdays, 2 on Saturday nights. Earlier, expert reviews for the prosecutor have found the shooting tragic but justified. Cuyahoga County Prosecutor Tim McGinty released a statement saying this video analysis and all reports will be presented to a grand jury deciding if any criminal charges should be filed.